This is Project Wasatch, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 built to our client's exact specification. Wasatch is painted in gloss Portofino blue with silver accents. Wasatch sits on 18-inch silver sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a classic front bumper, E.C.D custom black metal steering guard, and an LED spot lamp at the rear. Wasatch also features a fully custom dog ladder. Inside, Wasatch features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau trail cap front seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Avion caramel leather stitched together in dark beige. Wasatch is powered by our GM LS3 V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This D90 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, and access to further USB charging ports throughout.